3, 2, 1.
Hi guys!
Hi guys. So Kimmy bought a monthly box thing, which contains.
I don't know. It's a surprise.
What the?
I don't know.
Well, I thought you said.
Okay.
You told me there was like live plants and stuff.
So I got suckered into one of the Instagram ads, and it's called Lunarly. And it says it's supposed to come with a crystal, a plant, or candle. It's supposed to be around the moon. So there's a new moon coming, so they sent it to me. It's supposed to be for this moon cycle. So
there's a box for everything these days.
I know, really. And I just had to get this one because I wanted to see.
Because Kimmy likes rocks.
Crystals.
And plants.
Minerals!
They're minerals. Maria?
Maria. Okay, inside the box. Ready? Ta-da! Wow!
Whoa, looks like a festival ticket.
I know, huh? How pretty. It's a cute little notebook. Let's see what else we got. Stickers. Crazy plant parent. New moon, new me. It doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. Manifest happiness. Yeah, and then here's some more stickers. What's this? Intentions or values we seek to embody every day. We set intentions using lunar cycles, guiding us to manifest the absolute best versions of ourselves. My intention is, so I gotta write my intention on this.
It's a bookmarker, right?
Yeah. So inside the box is another box. Oh boy. So this lunar moon is the sturgeon moon. It's on August 30th, so that, just leave it. So the sturgeon moon, what did we get? So we got how to draw modern flowers. We got some jasper rock crystal. Yeah, your mookaite crystal. Oh, cool. We got some essential oil. Lunarly Awakening essential oil. And we got some natural vein Java scrub. Cool. So let's see. Here's our modern florals. Oh, it's a whole big book. And it shows you how to draw flowers. That's super cute.
Very artistic.
Yeah, just like us. And then it comes with, oh, here's my rock crystal. My mineral. Oh my god, so tiny. How cute. Whoa.
She's smelling it.
Yeah. Just kidding. It's like they just picked it up from the ground.
Oh my.
Put that there. I'll put it next to my succulents. Java scrub, body scrub to exfoliate. And it's local organic ground coffee. No way! Wow, it is coffee! It smells so good. Nice one.
Whoa. It smells pretty good.
It smells really
it's
good.
It's really strong.
Wow. So just to use it in the shower. Softens the body. Cool. And then we got an essential oil. Let's see how this is. Natural energizing blend. Okay. And it has, what does it have in it? Grapefruit, bergamot, basil, lemon. That's definitely a lot of basil. That sounds good though.
Is that it?
That's it in this box. And there's still more. There's still more.
There's still more.
So that was just the top half
What?
of the box. Now there's the rest inside of the box. There's more. So I don't know if I wanted it to be a plant, but it looks like it's a candle. Yeah, it's a candle. Ugh. Looks like I gotta get another box to get a plant next time. Wow, it's black.
Whoa.
That's so pretty. Oh, it looks like it melted in the sun because it's got little marks. I don't know if you can see.
The heck? Okay. Yeah.
But this is super cute.
Looks cool though.
Let me see. Can you see here?
Black candle.
It's black candle and it's got it's colored spots. You can't really see here.
What does it smell like?
Kind of like fresh linen. Bountiful Bouquet Sturgeon Moon Candle. It's clary sage, pepper, and teak. So it's a rich woody mix feel.
It smells kind of like guy.
Guy?
To me, it smells kind of like, yeah, like cologne some sort.
Oh, kind of does smell like cologne. But doesn't it kind of smell like fresh linen too? Either way, it smells good.
We'll see if it smells when you light it, because a lot of the candles we use, or the Kia ones, it smells good when you hold it, but when you light it, there's no smell.
It doesn't smell like anything, and then it burns real quickly.
Yep.
But yeah, the number one reason I got it is because, of course, they advertised the good stuff. It was supposed to be, they showed the box was a crystal and it had a plant, and I'm kind of obsessed with plants and crystals right now. So I was like, yes, I want another plant and I want a crystal. So I bought it, and I think it's $30 a month, and they send it near the new moon so that you're prepared for the new moon. And I guess I'm gonna have to get it again next time because I want a plant and a crystal. But yeah, I actually like this box. It's cute.
That's how they get you.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't get it this time, so I'll buy the next one, and then it keeps going on and on.
But I mean,
just kidding. I don't know.
Yeah, we'll see. Came home to this. Oh, hi, Lucy. And this, Lunarly. Oh, sorry, Riley. I didn't forget about you, sir. Came home to another Lunarly box. I'm not gonna open it until Eric gets here, but I'll show you the box. It's way bigger this time. I mean, here's my hand. There's the box. Last time it was like half the size. Super cute. Oh my god, you can see the plant. I'm cheating. Cute.
Okay, so anyways, yeah, you slit the side.
Cute.
But
So last time we didn't get a tree. I mean a plant. This time we did. It looks like a tree. Is that all we got? Oh, no,
cool. So it's a
box.
plant, and the box is at the bottom.
Okay, so let's take out the plant. Okay, let's, poor thing, got messed up. Okay, so let me open it. Oh, sounds like it broke. I hope not. Oh, it did break. Totally broke. Wow, what a bummer. Well, here's my plant.
At least the plant's alive.
Here's my broken vase.
Oh well.
Pot.
It wasn't that pretty anyways.
What the? But it's the good kind.
The fragile kind.
Oh shit, no, I gotta order. Oh.
Give me at work.
Give me all the time.
And
Okay.
now into the box.
So last time I forgot to mention the first box. It came with a notebook. Oh. Last time the box came with the notebook and the intentions card, and that doesn't come with all boxes. It only comes with your first box. And so do the stickers. So let's see what we got this time. So we got another intentions card for the harvest moon. So September 28th. It's September 23rd, so it's in a few days. And this is explaining the end of this moon and how the new moon's coming soon. Let's see what else we got. This explains everything we got this time. So we got an intention keeping bracelet.
Maybe it's better if it's a surprise.
Oh, okay, you're right. So let's see what we get. So we got pink clay mud mask powder. Let me open it real fast. Aha! Hold on. Okay, let's see. So it comes with the jar. Pretty sure it's sealed, yep. And yeah, it's actually clay. So what are the directions? You just add to your own recipes. Perfect for oily skin and reduces inflammation. So I guess you just add water or maybe apple cider vinegar. And it comes with this little tool inside. I guess to mix and scoop. It's got a little spoon. Okay, so then what else did we get? So we got the clay mask. And then here's usually a crystal. Let's see, what crystal did we get? Oh, what's this?
Whoa.
This is desert rose. So it says to bring clarity and peace of mind. The desert rose creates a wide open space in your spirit where honesty blooms.
It looks like the cereal, the Wheatie, how's it called? Double-sided ones.
Okay, so then next I got an intentions keeping bracelet, and it's designed to be a constant reminder of what I'm looking or working toward. Okay. What? It says you can, it says write on a small slip of paper and you can hide it inside the bracelet.
Oh, that's what that's for.
So, oh yeah, look, cute! Oh, fun! I like this. Put that here. So that's what we got. Then we got, it says plant mister. So here's our plant mister. How cute.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Okay. Super cute. Okay.
Looks like our soap dispenser.
Our soap dispenser, yeah. Here's the saucer to our broken pot. So I guess, I mean,
still works.
That's all we do.
So we got this plant.
So we forgot to, I forgot to say what the plant is. So it says it's a Carmona retusa. So it is a bonsai. Oh.
It is an F&T bonsai.
F&T. And it's best with consistent, bright, filtered light. So then it has all the instructions of how to take care of it and basically what it is. But yeah, this box, see, it came with a few less stuff. Yeah, this box came with a few less stuff because, like I said, the first box comes with more stuff. Like the intentions journal and the intentions card. It looks like this. And the stickers. So, I mean, this is pretty cool. I'm kind of bummed that it broke. They should have secured it a little bit better. But I like this. It's so cute. I like how it helps you set your intentions. I like all these plants and the crystals they give you. And then these nice beauty products that you can use to try out. Where are you going? Say hi, friends. But yeah, what do you think?
Pretty cool. I thought the plant's really cool because I guess I've never seen a plant in a box.
I know, it's so cool.
The way it was packaged was pretty cool. And I thought it's cool that you get something that's alive, I guess.
Yeah, inside a subscription box. Pretty cool.
I think, yeah, I kind of don't remember what we got in the last box, but I remember the black candle was cool. But I think it didn't smell that good.
It smells good, but it's really strong actually. I'm surprised. Yeah.
In my opinion, I think it's better when you get like a plant and things you can use because like the rocks, Kimmy has a lot and they're just kind of like lying all over the place. Alright,
so I mean, this is the 2 boxes that I got in the last 2 months for Lunarly, and I think it's pretty cool, but the idea was pretty fun. I enjoyed opening it and it coming, and yeah, you guys should try it. Thanks for watching. Give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.